was a bust, but elevator A looks like it's working. We are at the parking garage, Beaumont Hospital, Farmington Hills, Michigan. There it comes. Right there's the main entrance to the hospital.
I was like, I'm gonna have spring fever.
Okay, let's go to 4. At least this elevator's working. You got a down call. Actually, go over there. You can see elevator B over there. Which unfortunately is not doing any good right now because it's not working. What up?
I am. You coming down? We're just riding around.
I'm riding because I like the way elevators work. Which one are you going to?
I'm going to 4.
You're going to 4? Okay.
I am.
Oh yeah, go around the state. You know, I love the way elevators work, so I go around the state and I take videos of all sorts of elevators and stuff.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm not kidding. I actually do that.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. I'm sure
Hey,
you
when you're passionate for something, you know, you find a way to, you know, enjoy it, you know?
Okay, well,
Yeah.
I hope you found some really interesting elevators. This isn't that exciting.
Nah, you're right. This one isn't. I did find some cool ones earlier today, though, but yeah. Have a great day. Nice, better view of the hospital from here. North Medical Building over there. That's going to be the next one I go into.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. There it goes. That will be it.